Namaste, my name is Milan Gajhmer. I'm 22 years old. I have been influenced by music since I was in class 6. Amics del Nepal has always been there for me since class 3, helping me to fulfill my basic need of education and even now to pursue my dream about music. I'm currently involved in learning different classical music on flute, which has helped me to expand my horizon of understanding music. Besides that, I also perform gigs in different bars and pubs at Thamel. Also, I am doing covers of different Nepali and Bollywood songs on flute for my YouTube channel. I want to release my original flute music after completing my course, which will create door for me to get into professional classical music in Nepal.